Hey everyone, today we're going to be making this shelf to hold all of my super glue and glue accelerator. Check it out. for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit the like button and share with everybody you know. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you can see whenever I upload new videos. Also, if you want to support what I'm doing, I now have a Patreon account. So if you'd like to support me, be sure to go follow the link in the description. Also, I want to say thanks to Matt Berry for being my first patron. If you want to help support what I'm doing, be sure to follow the link in the description. That will take you to my Patreon page. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.